Yes. Good evening to all. Uh, in the previous lecture, as we completed the construction of PDA for L is equals to W, where number of A in W must be equal to the number of B in W. So this question completed. If you feel any problem in this question, then please let me know. So should I move forward? आप चैट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं अगर इसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो ठीक है। ये हम लोगों ने कल डिस्कस कर लिया था। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम अदर पार्ट और सम अदर एग्जांपल फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पीडीए। in this particular problem you can see that you have to design a PDA for L is equals to A iteration of N and B iteration of N and C iteration of M. On the basis of this question, because this question is solved by me in the previous lecture, just I would like to change some part of this language. Suppose the part is A iteration of M and B iteration of N and C iteration of N. In this situation, how can we design a PDA that satisfy or that accept this language? So try to solve, try to design or try to construct a PDA that will accept the language in this format. That is A iteration of M, B iteration of N and C iteration of N. Okay. Simran, आपका complete हो गया? Very good. In this situation, just I will give you some hint. In this situation, A is independent of B and C, but B and C are dependent to each other because the number of iteration of B must be the equal to the number of iteration of C, while number of iteration of A are independent to B and C. Means A agar there are some example of the string that belongs to this language. That is, suppose A, B, B, C, C, or that may be A, B, C. You can see here in both the strings, number of B and number of C are equal, and in this case, number of B and number of C are equal, and this A is independent of B and C. So these are the basic example of the string that belongs to this language L. So now just try to design a PDA for the same. We will discuss the constructing part after some time. So just I will give you 2 minutes to design the logic for that. Just 2 minutes I am giving to you. Your section is A and B. Okay, good. So just construct your PDA by using the transition diagram. First of all, try to write the logic, then design the PDA. और किसका कंप्लीट हुआ अभी तक? How many of you have completed this question? Or if you feel any problem for deciding how can we compare B and C and how can we skip A, right? So if you feel any problem to think about this, then you can ask me. Okay, Nandini, thank you. Dipanshi, Simran, only 3 candidates, 3 students have done this question. Others, please reply. Very good, Unnati. Others, अगर आपसे कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कोई डाउट है, then you can ask the doubt, or if you feel any problem, then you can ask the problem on that particular point. So hint is this: start if you feel if you have to design any PDA, then start with the stack position right? That position of the stack should keep in mind, and then process the transition function or transition diagram as per your logic. Others, please reply. It is done. In this situation, you have to compare only B and C. Means no need to push A into the stack. अब मैं इसका simple आपको logic बताता हूँ. In this situation, Z0 is the initial position of the stack, and it is decided that you will get A from the tape side first, and after completion of A, you will get B, and after B, you will get C. It is fixed because it is decided by the given language, right? So as soon as we read A from the tape, no need to store A into the stack. Just listen again. Whenever you read A from the tape, no need to store A or no need to push A into the stack, right? इसका मतलब हम कैसे इसको execute करेंगे? Whenever we read A from the tape, at that time Z0 will be the stack position, topmost position of the stack, right? So just after pop out this Z0, just only push Z0 into the stack. It means that the stack will not be changed. Z0 को आपने pop किया और just Z0 को ही आपने push कर दिया. So in case of A, you don't require to push anything into the stack. As soon as you read B from the input tape, just place all B into the stack, or just push all B's into the stack. And as soon as we read C from the tape side and B from the stack side, just cancel out this one. And as soon as this null will encounter onto the input tape, at this position Z0 will be the stack. So this is the simply position of the final acceptance. So it is the basic logic behind this AM, BN and CN. So ये क्लियर हुआ बेटा लॉजिक? आप लोगों ने ऐसे डिजाइन किया? वेरी गुड अनुष्का, ऐश्वर्या, आप लोगों ने कर लिया, वेरी गुड. तो ये लॉजिक सही था मेरा जो मैंने आपको डिस्कस किया है. So first see the PDF for AN, BN, CM, then we will discuss this one, right? You may note down the same thing. Very good. This is the simple question for AN, BN, CM. In this situation, A must be compared to B and C is independent of A and B, right? So in this situation, हमने क्या किया? A just push किया और A is compared by B. So this is similar as A and B, and that is already covered by us, right? After this, after completion of B, you will get C. But C is not dependent to A and B. So in this situation, simply C is, as soon as the C is encountered, then Z0 will be the stack, top of the stack. So just no need to push C into the stack. Just we have to push Z0 to the stack because C is independent in this case, right? So this is the simple example for AN, BN, CM. Now, our previous question was AM, BN and CN. This is little bit different. In this situation, A is independent. So in this situation, no need to push anything else. You just on Q0 and you are getting A from the tape side and Z0 from the stack side. Just push only Z0. This will be, iski zarurat nahi hai. Only this one will be the simple transition on A, right? Just again and again, you are pushing Z0 only. And as soon as we get B from the tape side, and in this situation, again, Z0 will be there, right? So in this situation, you need to push B into the stack simply. So in this situation, this will not be there in case of this example especially. इसको मैं डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ, आपको confuse मत होइएगा. In this situation, B and B again is there from the tape side and B is the stack side. In this case, just we are pushing B, right? As soon as we read from C from the input tape, and then that situation, B will be the tape side. So in this situation, we are not required to write anything into the stack. That means the transition will be null. So क्या situation होगी? C, B, and that is null. And simply the same situation will be there, C, B, and that will be stored null. So you will be the final state. Is it clear to all? Clear हो गया? Very good. So now move to the next part, or move to the next question. This one I have already covered the same question. Now the important part here is the new question, that is you have to design a PDA for WCWR. It is very important. If you see previous year question paper, then you will find the same question again and again, right? It means this question is important because in this particular question, there is no string given directly, that is in the form of A or B, but it is generic string that is given to you. So in this form, you can clearly see this is WCWR. What does it mean? It means that W is what? W is defined to you that W belongs to AB plus. What does mean is plus? What is the meaning of this plus? As I already told you, then if we write the regular expression or any expression in this form, so there may be two formats that can be represented by A comma B plus or A comma B asterisk, है ना? ये हम लोगों ने रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन में पढ़ा था. So the meaning is very clear. This is the meaning of this AB plus is any combination of AB excluding null. राइट, नल नहीं होगा और ए और बी का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन आ सकता है. अकेला ए आ सकता है, अकेला बी, ए बी का कोई भी ए कॉमा बी का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन आ सकता है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? एनी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ए और बी इन एक्सक्लूडिंग नल. बट इन केस ऑफ एस्टेरिक it means that it is any combination of A or B including null. This is the important point here. In case of asterisk, it include null, but in case of plus, null will not be appear. Is it clear? ये तो हम पहले से जानते थे कि A और प्लस B का प्लस है अगर, तो प्लस का मतलब क्या हुआ? नल को छोड़ के बाकी सारे कॉम्बिनेशन होंगे. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट A comma B asterisk, in this situation any combination of AB including null, right? So in the given question you can see here, this is the W. So W can be any combination of A comma B. So in this situation, you must think about that your string may be started by A or string may be started by B. It is possible that string can start by A or B. So you must think about this. You must think over it also, right? And second part is this C is what? C is, you can say, the separator. It means that after C, you will get the reverse of W. Means if you are taking, for example, if you are taking the string AB as the part of W, then after getting C, definitely you must get BA, because here after C, you will get the W reverse. So what is the meaning of this W reverse? If W is suppose AB, that means after C, this is, you can say, the separator. So after C, you must ensure that we will get BA, because always we must design the PDF for accepted case, right? So suppose if W is BA, then suppose after this separator C, you must get AB. Is it clear or not? So this is the part of W reverse and this is the part of W. If you feel any confusion about the string, then please let me know so that I can repeat the same thing so that you can easily understand the string that belongs to language. So before going to start the construction of WCWR, I would like to discuss the various strings that belongs to this WCWR. Another example we can also discuss. Suppose your string is ABBA. So this is the suppose part of W. And as soon as I read C from the tape side, it means that after that we will find the W reverse. Suppose this is the part of W, right? So the W reverse will be, after C we will definitely find AB, BA. It is clear? So this is the simple part of what? This is the part of W reverse. Is it clear? Or if we read the part, suppose BBA. So in this situation, this is suppose any string of, in this situation, after C we will find A, B, B. So this part is said to be suppose W, then this part will be the W reverse, right? Simran, are you asking the about the reverse is standard mean of R? I'm not understanding actually this particular question. What do you want to ask? रिवर्स इज स्टैंडर्ड मीन ऑफ आर, इसका मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि आप इस आर से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, राइट? तो नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट दिस रिप्रेजेंटेशन. द रिप्रेजेंटेशन यू कैन राइट हियर दिस टाइम आल्सो. रिवर्स को आप ट्रांसपोज भी समझ सकते हो, कैसे भी एक ही बात है, राइट? डब्ल्यू का ट्रांसपोज मतलब डब्ल्यू का उल्टा. मीन्स अगर यहाँ पर डब्ल्यू कोई भी है और डब्ल्यू क्या होगा, इट इज डिसाइडेड दैट डब्ल्यू बिलोंग्स टू ए कॉमा बी का प्लस. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन डब्ल्यू रिवर्स मीन्स कि जो आपने W एज्यूम किया है उसका रिवर्स. So please see the example. In this case, W I assume AB. So W reverse will be BA. In this example, W will be BA, then W reverse will be AB. Right? Now it is clear? Yes, beta. Simran, R का the meaning of R will be defined. ठीक है? अब आपको क्वेश्चन करने के बाद आपको इसमें समझ में आ जाएगा, right? So if you feel any problem in this particular question, then please ask. तो इसको मैंने समझाने के लिए आपको हर तरह की स्ट्रिंग को लिया है, जिससे कि आपको ये अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए, राइट? अब बताइए कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जो समझ में नहीं आया हो, पता लग गया स्ट्रिंग किस तरह की होगी? नाउ हाउ कैन बी डिजाइन ए पीडीएफ फॉर दैट? ये मैंने एग्जांपल आपको डिस्कस किए. दीज आर वेरियस एग्जांपल ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग that all these string belongs to this language, right? Now you have to design a PDA to keep these string in your mind, right? It means that your starting can be possible by A or by B. Means just we have to write all the transition for in this situation, that if A is start, then Z naught will be the stack position initially, or B in, your string is started by B and Z naught will be the stack position. Means your string can be started by A or can be started by B. You must use both the transitions, right? But the important point is C is the simply you can C is the what? C is the decider, you can say. Because after C you can decide that, or you can decide that you will get the reverse of W, right? यही तो मतलब हुआ. अगर मैं इसमें से C हटा दूं, the problem will be increase or decrease? Problem will be increase. Why problem will be increase? Because how can we identify which is the part of W and which is the part of W reverse? For example, in this situation, suppose you know A, you know B, and after B you may assume that this particular part is the part of W reverse, right? So you can't distinguish between W and W reverse without C. So C is very helpful here. Now, how can we design the PDA for same? See here. Simply मैं क्या करूंगा कि मैंने क्या करा, मैंने अभी आपको दोबारा लॉजिक बताया. A मिला तो A को स्टैक में डाल दो. दोबारा देखो, Z नॉट हमारा है. लॉजिक देखिए पहले आपको, फिर डिजाइनिंग तो 2 मिनट में बता दूंगा मैं. जस्ट मैंने आप A रीड किया, पुश A इनटू द स्टैक. अगर हमने B रीड किया, जस्ट पुश इनटू B इनटू द स्टैक, राइट? A मिले A को डालो, B मिले B को डालो, राइट? जैसे ही मुझे C मिला, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ कि मैं श्योर हो गया, अब मुझे इसके बाद क्या मिलने वाला है? रिवर्स, राइट? तो C पर क्या करना है? C पर कुछ नहीं करना. जैसे ही मैंने C रीड किया और अगर टॉप में B है ना, तो मैं B को दोबारा से पुश कर दूंगा. मींस वी डोंट वांट टू चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ स्टैक. अगर मैंने सी को रीड किया और स्टैक की पोजीशन में ए टॉप में रहे तो मैं ए को दोबारा से डाल दूंगा। आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट? कि मैं स्टैक की पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं कर रहा। नाउ हियर वी आर पॉप आउट बी, जस्ट वी आर पुशिंग बी सो दैट द पोजीशन ऑफ स्टैक विल नॉट बी चेंज, राइट? सो आफ्टर सी what we have to do, that we will find the reverse of W. It means अब मुझे क्या मिलेगा W का रिवर्स? ऑब्वियस सी बात है, क्या मिलेगा? B, क्योंकि मैंने स्ट्रिंग यहाँ पर क्या दिया? A A B B, तो स्ट्रिंग मेरी क्या है? A A B B, और इस पूरे को मैंने क्या करा? स्टैक में डाल दिया। तो सबसे पहले मुझे स्टैक से क्या मिलेगा? B, और रिवर्स आएगा तो रिवर्स में मुझे क्या मिलेगा? B। तो whenever I get B from the tape and V from the stack, और A from stack और A from tape, in this situation just cancel out। तो मैं क्या करूंगा कि बी से इसे हटा दूंगा, फिर दूसरे बी से इसे हटा दूंगा। जब फिर मिले कि मुझे क्या मिलेगा? दो ए मिलेंगे, एक वन ए, ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, दूसरे ए से ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा। नाउ योर टेप विल बी एम्प्टी, दैट मींस यू विल फाइंड नल फ्रॉम द टेप साइड and Z not from the stack side, because stack is also empty. So just pushing Z not again to the stack and reach to the final state. So this is the basic and simple logic behind this behind this PDA for L is equals to WCW reverse, right? So how can we design the PDA for the same? You can see easily, as you can see, as per our discussion, as soon as I get A, just push into the stack. As soon as, or you may start with B, as I already told you. So just push B into the stack. Clear? Whenever I read A again, क्योंकि ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है A के बाद दोबारा A आए, W में भी तो ऐसा हो सकता है A के बाद A आए या A के बाद B आए, कुछ भी आए। मींस W के केस में तो मुझे क्या करना है? जब तक C नहीं आता है तो जब W में A आए या B आए, जस्ट आई हैव टू पुश इनटू द स्टैक। सो जस्ट आई एम पुशिंग। अगर A आया, A को पुश किया, B आया, B को पुश किया, B के बाद A आया तो पुश हुआ, B के बाद A आया, A के बाद B, कुछ भी आए। As soon as I receive C from the tape side, there are two possibilities from the stack side that we can read A from the your stack stack में क्या हो सकता है? The top pointer point out A और B। तो अगर A को point out करता है तो A को ही push कर दो दोबारा से, और B को point out कर रहा हो तो B को push कर दो, because हमें stack की position इसमें change नहीं करनी। Clear? But after reading C, it is clear that we now we have to find the reverse of W. Clear? So in this situation, if we get BB, then just cancel out. If we get AA, just cancel out. अब अगर यहाँ कोई मुझसे पूछता है सर A के साथ अगर B मिले तो क्या करना है, तो उसके लिए PDA चलेगा ही नहीं, ये PDA होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि W अगर यहाँ है तो यहाँ हमेशा क्या मिलेगा? W का रिवर्स। इट इज डिसाइडेड that after C you will find the reverse of W. तो अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी, इसका मतलब वो W का रिवर्स नहीं होगा, और नहीं होगा तो उसके लिए हमारा PDA काम नहीं करेगा। So in this situation, no need to write all the transition of this particular PDA. Just we have to write the acceptable transitions, right? So in case of BB, just puts null into the stack, or in case of AA, just push null into the stack, right? So now as this tape is empty and stack is empty, so in this situation, push again Z naught to the stack and reach to the final state. So this is the final solution or final PDA as per the given language, that is L is equals to WCWR. If anyone has any type of problem at any step, then please let me know. Any problem? If you have any problem, so logic is clear to you? Very good. Aishwarya, very good. Nandini and others, please reply. Jay, you can try with ABA, no problem. This particular PDA must accept all the strings, right? So you can take any string, right? For example, ABA, right? This is the part of W, and after this you will get C, and reverse of this W will be again ABA, right? सो दिस विल बी द टॉप पॉइंटर। जब आप इसको पुश कर दोगे ऑब्वियस सी बात है ये टॉप में होगा, ये उसके बाद होगा, ये उसके बाद होगा। तो जैसे ही ए मिले कैंसिल आउट कर दो, बी भी मिलेगा और फिर लास्ट में ए मिलेगा। यू कैन सी इजीली। सो दिस विल बी द सिचुएशन व्हेन you have W and W reverse, and C work as just like the separator that can separate easily W and W reverse. Any problem? If anyone has any type of problem, please let me know. In the next lecture, we will discuss some other problems with the PDA. So just I will give you some question on PDA, and you have to design the PDA for the same. And we will discuss this particular question by deleting this C also. So this will be more exciting question if we delete C from this given question. So you have to design the PDA for WWR. So this is the very very challenging question for you, that how can we identify W and W reverse, right? In this situation, C can be used as the separator. That's why it is easy for us to identify W and W reverse. So in this situation will be more challenging situation, right? So we will discuss later. यहाँ तक अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। It is clear to all? So in the next lecture, we will discuss the simple part of WWR. Okay? तब तक आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करें, ठीक है ना? अगर आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, कोई डाउट होगा तो हम लोग डाउट डिस्कस करेंगे पहले कल। आप लोग जो भी क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं आपको, आप उसे सॉल्व करिए अपने हिसाब से। इसी तरीके से मैंने मैक्सिमम जो पॉसिबिलिटी थी, जो बन सकते थे क्वेश्चंस, मैंने सारे डिस्कस कर लिए आपसे, ठीक है? अब आप क्या करेंगे, जो भी क्वेश्चन आपको मिलते हैं नेट से या बुक से, आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे, और कोई क्वेश्चन अगर आपको नया लगता है तो आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग द क्लास। थैंक यू।